This is the elevator at Menards, Evendale, Ohio. It's a ThyssenKrupp. Let's go to. Here we go. Let's look out the window. Here are two. Let's go to one. Door closest does not work. Let's get a cat view. Pretty cool elevator. Scenic elevator at a Menards. Coming up.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Look, watch, we're gonna go up. Wow.
What are we doing? Really bad. Can't hold that hand so we can get off.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go down one. Capacity is 7,000 pounds. Here are one. Watch it close. And that's it.